in this last video for my series of how to apply and how to apply, I want to show you how to apply serum and toner. So that together. When you finish washing your face, of course, we all know I've shown you several ways. Wash your face with tea tree face wash by Pure Blend Skincare. After washing your face, you pat your face dry with a face towel. Okay, after that, the next thing is your toner. Toner comes next. Okay, so here is the best way to apply your toner. Take a cotton pad. I don't use cotton ball, no. I feel it's too woolly, so cotton pad is always the best. Take a cotton pad. I don't use reusable cotton pad. I know a lot of people right now use reusable cotton pad because it's cheaper, and don't use it because they're abrasive. They can cause acne breakout. They can harbor bacteria that will infect your skin. So don't use disposable one. I always tell my client, a client that I worked with I think last year June, she was happy because the problem with her skin is that the reusable bamboo face pad she's been using is been the #1 problem for her skin issue. And the moment she listened to my advice, okay, and she stopped using reusable face pad, especially these are from China, very common on Amazon, right? The moment she stopped using this, her breakout stopped because they are abrasive. Okay, they harbor dangerous chemicals, okay, that will cause breakout, that will never let your face rest from bacteria and infection. So that's why you have to don't use this. I'll say do not use this. Some of you will say, okay, it makes the world a better place because when you're using this type, you are contributing to landfill. No, it's a lie. No, that's just the way skincare brand are marketing that. They call it biodegradable. It's garbage. I know people that work in the industry that tells me this is good. Okay, so that's by the way. So use this. Take your toner there. Okay, squeeze the toner in. Because I have my makeup on, so you see how I'm using it. You're going to apply it all over your body in a circular motion. Okay, in a circular motion. Don't just dump. No, in a circular motion. It's when you do in a circular motion that will penetrate deeper. Okay, circular motion. Remember, under the eye. If you're not using AHA, if you're using AHA toner, do not use it under the eye because it's going to burn you, right? So if it's regular toner, just use it all over, and do not use AHA toner every day. No, so use it all over rub in a circular motion. Okay, in a circular motion like this. That's how you're able to get rid of the impurity, and that's how you're going to help your skin feel better. That's how you use that. So right after using toner, you allow it to rest a bit. At least make sure, even though you're rushing, I know you're rushing now, you want to quickly cut that go train or whatnot, make sure you give it at least 40 to 50 seconds. Let it rest, let the skin breathe. Then you follow with your serum. Okay, you follow with your serum. Again, how do you use serum? We use it like you use lotion. If you have not watched my video on how to use lotion, you can watch it. So just take it like that and apply it just like you apply a lotion. Okay, apply it like you apply a lotion. That's how you apply it all over your face. Rub it in a gentle circular motion. Make sure it's circular motion because circular motion helps it to penetrate deeper. Okay, circular gentle motion. That's what you want to do. Okay, and that's it for this video. Not much to say. You asked me what's your recommended toner. Well, it depends on your skin type. Right now, if you have a sensitive skin type, you break out on everything. I recommend Pure Blend Skincare Pro. So go to pureblendskincare.com. You see the recommended toner. The one I just showed you now is AHA Serum for radiant skin. It's made by 10% lactic acid. Okay, it's at pureblendskincare.com. Okay, that's by Pure Blend Natural. The AHA serum is by Pure Blend Natural, or you can find it at pureblendskincare.com. And the toner I showed you just now is AHA toner for sensitive skin, 10% toning solution, also available at pureblendskincare.com. So that's exactly how you apply both if you want them to work. Then you ask me, how often should I use a serum? How often should I use a toner? You should tone your face every day. It's very important that you tone your face every single day because it helps to remove impurity. It helps to break down dead skin cell and makes you look more young and more beautiful. It prevents infection, right? It prevents breakouts. It cleans out your pore, clogs it and makes the pore, free. That's exactly what that is. I hope this video has helped somebody else. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment box below. And I'm going to catch you in another video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.